Hi, my name is Dan Parsley. I'm President and COO of EES Consulting. EES Consulting is in the energy efficiency and sustainability consulting business. We help our customers, both residential, industrial, and commercial building owners, make their facilities more energy efficient by deploying our proprietary EESy method, which allows us to assess, quantify, and implement a portfolio of energy efficiency solutions that bring a very, very good value to our customers. Today, we're going to be talking about energy efficient lighting, specifically LED lighting, and comparing the LED lighting performance to that of traditional lights that you'll find in homes and businesses. So today, I'm going to demonstrate 5 different types of lights. This demonstration kit allows us to demonstrate the watts, or the energy that is being used to lighten these various light types. And I'm going to start with the most common light. This is a 75 watt incandescent bulb. And you can see on here that the 75 watt bulb is actually pulling about 78.8 watts. And the thing about this light is it produces great light, but it's hot. And that heat that it produces causes your air conditioning to have to condition that hot air. And it's so hot that I cannot put my hand on it. These lights don't last very long, so you are commonly having to replace them. And to replace a 78 or 75 watt incandescent, we have new technology today. It's called LED, light emitting diode. This is actually a computer chip, if you will. And this light that has comparable lumens, which is a measurement of light output, is pulling 8.3 watts compared to the 78 watts. And this is, about an 83% reduction in the amount of energy to produce the same amount of light. Also, this produces no heat, or very little. In this, I can put my hand on this bulb, and that tells you that your air conditioning savings will be in addition to the reduction in the amount of watts that it takes to produce that light. So you kind of get a twofer. And lastly, it will last about 50,000 hours as opposed to a traditional bulb, which will last about 8,000 hours. So another common light is the MR16. This small spotlight, often found in art galleries or in homes and businesses, this is pulling 25 watts, whereas the LED equivalent is pulling only 6.7 watts. Now, the other one is a traditional floodlight. This floodlight is a 100 watt flood that is pulling, this is a 62 watt floodlight that is replaced by an LED pulling only 10 watts. Again, comparable lumens, produces no heat, very energy efficient solution. Okay? One of the most common lights in homes and businesses is the recessed can. A recessed can typically is about a 100 watt can light that goes up into the ceiling of your home or your business. And this is an LED equivalent of a recessed can. This is pulling about 10.2 watts as opposed to a 100 watt traditional recessed can. That's a 90% savings in the energy required to produce the same amount of lumens. Tremendous, beautiful light, and extremely, extremely good energy savings. Lighting is your low-hanging fruit when it comes to energy savings. Typically, you can see a less than 1 to a 1.5 year payback on retrofitting your lighting in your building and your home in tremendous savings. There's one last light that I was going to demonstrate, and this is a very common 4-foot T8 tube. And this common fluorescent tube generally is about a 32 watt light, and it also requires a ballast, which is like a starter, that also pulls additional watts to start up the light. And this now can be replaced by an LED tube that requires no ballast and produces beautiful light. This LED tube replacement pulls 16 watts, which represents a 50% reduction in the light, in the energy required to produce the same amount of light. And like all LEDs, produces very, very little heat or no heat. So you get additional savings on air conditioning, and also they will last 50,000 plus hours, giving you very, very good maintenance savings over time compared to traditional lights. So I hope you enjoyed the demonstration of the great benefits of lighting. If you would like to learn more about lighting or any other energy efficiency solutions, you can contact us by calling our toll-free number at 855-EESy, that's 855-ITSEESY, or you can go to our website at www.itseasy.com. Thank you and have a great day.